Hi, I'm Lisa Schuman. I'm the Director of Mental Health Services for Reproductive Medicine Associates of Connecticut. And I'm here to talk to you today about Father's Day. Now, Father's Day can be trouble-filled for many of you who are trying to conceive. It can be a very upsetting day for you and for your partners, of course. And so many people don't look forward to this day. But I can give you some suggestions that might make Father's Day a little bit easier for you. Those suggestions have to do with projects, and even though I don't like to stereotype, very often men like projects. And I'm going to give you a project that can really help you feel a little bit better. There's a very well-known author, his name is Shawn Achor, and he has a very popular TED Talk about positivity and feeling good about yourself. And what he says is that pleasure is something that is potentially addictive because there's a bottomless pit to it, right? We like French fries or ice cream. We can't eat it forever. And it can never feel good to just indulge ourselves in pleasure all the time. But joy and some happiness, on the other hand, is something that we can feel better about. So what do I mean by that? Well, you can have pain and joy at the same time. Think about when you worked really hard on a project at work. Think about building something that you really liked. Even if your knees were hurting because you were bending down and fixing something, you were feeling good that you were doing it. Why is that? Because you're striving towards something that makes you feel good. You're working towards something productive that helps you feel good about yourself. And as you're doing that, you can find joy in that project or that activity. So for Father's Day, think about something that will give you some sense of productivity, some sense of joy and accomplishment in doing that. Many people say, I have no time to add something else onto my plate. We've got the treatment, we've got work, we've got all these things happening, and I really don't have time. But believe it or not, adding something like this can actually make you feel better. It can actually make you feel happier because you'll feel a sense of satisfaction. And that sense of satisfaction can bring down your anxiety level and bring down your tension. So for Father's Day, give yourself a project and feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'd love to hear from you.